Have you ever wondered what makes a song truly iconic in a film or musical? For many fans of Wicked, it's like the powerful, emotive tune defying gravity. Um, but now, in the sequel, Wicked for Good, we'll witness an all new contender for the title of Most Beloved Song for Good itself. And allow me to share the journey of this musical masterpiece from stage to screen and how it manages to captivate audiences' hearts in a way that perhaps even surpasses its eminent predecessor. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful take on movies and their iconic tunings. On Broadway, in the movie adaptation, Defying Gravity appropriately captures Elphaba's evolution, her transformation into a powerful, misunderstood, and relatable character. However, For Good proves itself to be just as significant, uh, perhaps even more so. It's a poignant valediction between Elphaba and Glinda, marking the culmination of their journey while tying up loose ends. As fans of the musical, we've all lost ourselves in the soaring harmonies of Defying Gravity. Um, Yet, in their emotional depth and the profound impact they leave on characters and viewers alike, few numbers touch the power of For Good. Uh, Lighthearted aside for a moment, do you know why the Wiccan Witches don't have any cats? Because they already have their 9 lives in the form of song and story. So as we eagerly await Wicked for Good, it becomes apparent that our hearts might just find a new anthem to sing along with. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.